In today's lesson, we'll be playing Yankee Doodle to practice our middle C hand position one more time. Like the last few songs we've done, we are starting with both thumbs on middle C. Get your hands positioned first. We don't have a diagram this time, so parents, make sure your children have the correct hand position. It should look like this. And remember to keep your hands steady in this position throughout the song. Let's start with these first two measures. We start with our left hand finger number 4, and we skip to finger number 2. Then, we switch to our right hand finger number 2. Take a second to practice this, and when you're ready, let's play this together. Parents, I'll be playing each note for one count. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. If you want to repeat this again, feel free to go back and do so. Let's take a look at these next two measures. If you look closely, we're playing these same notes again. Left hand finger number 4, then 2, then we switch to the right hand finger number 2. Then, we skip to finger number 4 in the right hand and then step up to finger number 5. Take a second to practice this slowly with your parents first. When you're ready, let's play. Parents, I'll be playing each note for one count and holding out that last note for 4 counts. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome job! Feel free to go back and repeat this for practice. Let's move on to this main melody now. We'll take a look at these next two measures where we'll only be playing in our right hand. We're starting on middle C and we play it twice. Then we go up in steps to finger number 3. In the next measure, we skip back down to middle C, back up to finger 3, and then step down to finger 2. Let's try playing these notes together. I'll play each one for one count. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sounding good. Let's take a look at this next line of our music. If you look closely, you'll see that these two sections start the same. So let's go over it. We play our middle C note twice, and we go up in steps to finger number 3. In the next measure, we skip down to our middle C, and then switch to our left hand finger number 2. Feel free to take a second to practice this with your parents, and when you're all ready, let's play this together. Parents, I'll be playing the last two notes for 2 counts each, the way they're written as half notes. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job! If you'd like to repeat this step, feel free to go back and do so. Let's play these next two measures. They're just in our right hand. We have the same measure again, with the 2 middle C notes and the steps up to finger number 3. In this next measure, we step up to our finger number 4, and then we go back down in steps to middle C. Feel free to pause and play this section with your parents first, and parents, even though this part is only in our right hand, remember to make sure that our left hand is still in position too. Now let's play this together. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice! Now let's take a look at these last two measures to the end. We start with our left hand finger number 2, and we skip down to finger number 4. Then, we go up in steps back to our finger number 2, and we end by playing our right hand finger number 1 twice on middle C. Take a second to practice this with your parents first, and parents, try and make sure that the transition between their left hand and right hands is smooth. When we're ready, let's play this together. And parents, I'll be playing the last 2 notes for 2 counts each. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, Awesome job! Feel free to go back and practice this section one more time. Otherwise, we're done with Yankee Doodle. Parents, to help your child practice the song of the week, you can try singing along with the lyrics to Yankee Doodle as an anchor in your practice. Like we've done for the last few songs, you can also break up the song into sections and slowly piece each section together over the week. You and your child should be able to play this song from beginning to end by the end of this week and next week's package. Happy practicing!